A very good morning, everyone, and welcome to this video where we have identified a harmonic pattern that's in line with the market cycle. This is Euro NZD. Now let's just take a look at the market cycle. We've got the first zone and the second zone. And for me, we're looking to get long this to take it into the third. And we have a setup here on the, well, you can see it on the 1 hour, but I wanted to draw it out for you again. Here we go. So first of all, we have this structure. Is difficult to see exactly what I see, but we'll draw it out. So this first swing, which I'll label A, 1 second, let me just make that A. There we go. So we've got A, point B. Now remember the rules, AB equals CD. So with AB equals CD, price has arrived at a destination point that we quite like. Price is also, I'd like to highlight in a minute, has done the move in 3. So let's just add our characteristic wings to this pattern. I'm just going to get the color scheme right, quite like pale. And then I'll label that anchor that I've just identified as X. X is always the anchor. And then we have the fibs to properly map it out. But some observations that you may not be, you may not see this stuff. There's 1, 2, 3. It's brought us right into this key area. Now, if I just get I've always got to get the colors right. So you can see prices just slightly below that at the moment. We do have another CD leg here, A, B equals C, D. It may want to extend a little bit lower, but for now, this is where we are holding on. Now, if we measure where D comes in relation to X, if I do that again, and you can see that we're around the 78% retracement. So let me just put that in there. Configure lines, 78.6. So that's check 1. We need to check the Fibonacci retracement of where B comes in, 61.8%. So we'll update that as well. Okay. And then the extension move of this, where D comes in relation to BC, that's at a 161.8. So we'll put that in. And we will tidy up the chart now. So there we have it. We have a Gartley buy pattern in line with the market cycle. You can't really do much more than that when it comes to trading. Certainly in this methodology, that's exactly what we're looking for. And if I just show you the alternative for the CD leg, there could be an extension in the CD leg because there's quite a visible other ABCD pattern going on. Maybe price down to this 140 level could do. We'll have to wait and see if that does play out. But for now, we expect price higher in line with the market cycle. Thanks for watching. Cheers.